Simplify the expression. Start by simplifying the term inside the first parentheses. This is 2 times x squared minus x. Next, move to the second parentheses. This is 3 times x squared plus 1. Factor x out of 2x squared minus x. This is equivalent to x times the quantity in parentheses 2x minus 1 all raised to the power of x. Then add x times the quantity in parentheses 3x squared plus 1. X times left parenthesis 2 times x minus 1 right parenthesis is equal to x squared times left parenthesis 2 times x minus 1 right parenthesis colon. The quantity of x squared times left parenthesis 2 times x minus 1 right parenthesis all plus x times 3 times x squared plus 1. X times the quantity 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x squared minus x. X times the quantity left parenthesis 2x squared minus x right parenthesis plus 3x squared plus 1. 3x squared plus 2x squared minus x plus 1 equals parentheses 2x squared plus 3x squared parentheses minus x plus 1 grouping like terms. This simplifies to x times the quantity parentheses 2x squared plus 3x squared minus x plus 1 parentheses. 2 times x squared plus 3 times x squared is equal to 5 times x squared. To find the answer, leave it blank. The answer is x times parentheses 5 times x squared minus x plus 1 parentheses. The answer is the expression inside the parentheses. The expression is 5 times x squared minus x plus 1.